Um, Hello family, you're welcome back to the cyber community. You're welcome back to this video tutorial. You're welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Oluwatobi Williams, and quickly, uh, I'm going to deal with a particular issue that some of us are battling with because I discovered that on my previous video on how to install font into your PixelLab, I got some messages. Some people thank me actually that it is helpful to them, and I'm so glad about that. That the needs of people were met. And however, I see some messages that some people are saying it's not working, it's not this, it's not that. So what I want to bring out is that when you're having this type of message, when you want to install your font, it is based on two things. Number one, see that you did not watch the previous video very well, because there is an aspect there that after downloading the font, you need to unzip it, because it's going to come into your smartphone as a zipped file. So you need to extract it, you need to unzip it. So that part, I think some people do not pay attention to it. That's number one reason. So you need to pay at that app Zip Archiver. So you need to pay attention to it. Check out how I did it. Now, the second thing there is that if it's not working, it is due to your PixelLab, maybe your PixelLab or your smartphone. So what you are going to do is to uninstall this particular PixelLab in your smartphone that is not installing font. If you are sure that you've followed the right process and you've done what you are supposed to do, but it's not yet working, what you need to do is to uninstall the one that is currently in your phone, right? Just delete it from your phone and head over to your um Chrome browser or any browser you are using. So let's quickly go there. Alright, so you come to your Chrome browser or any browser you are using and type PixelLab. Type PixelLab. So type PixelLab mode APK, right? And click on the check mark. Now, getting to this place, you are going to see some of the PixelLab mode APK. What you are going to do here is to click on this one. For this APK done, just click on it and click on download here. Click on download. After clicking on download, you get something like this. And you scroll down. You scroll down to this place and come to this place. Download APK 26 MB. Just click on it and download it. Now, as you can see, you click on it, download anyways. Now, when you go to your Chrome browser and click on it, you are going to see it there. Let's go there. Alright family, as you can see, we are here. Now you click on it. After clicking on it, they will ask you to install it. Now note, I did not delete my own PixelLab because I don't have that type of issue. That's why I didn't delete it. So I don't need to install it. I don't need, but make sure you deleted yours. Is that taking the one that you get from Google Play Store? So make sure you delete it so that it will not give you the same issue, right? So you delete it and you install it like this. Is that it? So after installing it, I'm very sure that after installing it, go back and follow the same process. It will definitely work. Is that taking? It will definitely work. And if it doesn't work, um you can still reach out to me. And if it works, I'll still want to hear in the comment section. I'll still want to hear from you. So go and try it out. Thank you very much for sticking around. And if you've not subscribed, I want to plead with you, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload an educative video like this ones, you get notified by YouTube. And if there is any question popping in your mind as regards graphic design, so you can ask. Feel free to ask, and it shall be given unto you. That's what the Bible says. So thank you very much for sticking around. See you in the next video.